Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. There's nothing quite like the feeling of planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into something beautiful and bountiful. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, picking the right seeds is the foundation for a thriving garden. Think of it like choosing the perfect ingredients for a recipe. The better your ingredients, the more delicious the outcome. And trust me, the same goes for your garden. Want a garden that thrives from the start? The secret lies in the seeds. Today, we're revealing 10 insider tips to help you choose the best seeds for a bountiful harvest. Let's dig in. Just like finding a trusty contractor for your dream home renovation, choosing a reputable seed company is crucial. You wouldn't want to invest in materials that won't stand the test of time, right? Well, seeds are the building blocks of your garden, so start with a strong foundation. Look for companies known for their quality and commitment to sustainability. Some of my personal favorites are High Mowing Organic Seeds, Johnny's Selected Seeds, and Seed Savers Exchange. These companies offer a wide variety of non-GMO and organic seeds, and they're passionate about preserving heirloom varieties. Plus, they often provide detailed information about each seed type, making it easier for you to choose the perfect ones for your garden. Remember, investing in high-quality seeds means investing in a healthier and more productive garden. It's like choosing reclaimed wood for your farmhouse table. It's about quality, character, and knowing you're making a good choice for the long haul. So, do your research, read reviews, and choose a seed company you trust. Your garden will thank you for it. Now let's talk seed labels. They can feel like a foreign language, but once you understand the lingo, you'll be navigating those seed packets like a pro. Terms like heirloom, hybrid, and open-pollinated tell a story about the seed's history. Heirloom seeds are family treasures passed down through generations. They're open-pollinated, meaning they're pollinated naturally and produce true offspring. Hybrid seeds are created by cross-pollinating different parent plants for desirable traits. Understanding these terms helps you choose the right seeds for your garden goals. Have you ever planted a seed with so much hope, only to be met with disappointment when nothing sprouted? It's happened to the best of us. That's where germination rates come in. This number on your seed packet shows how likely seeds are to sprout. Aim for seeds with a germination rate of 80% or higher. Out of every 10 seeds, at least 8 should sprout. Starting with high germination rate seeds gives you a head start. It's a small number with a big impact on your garden's success. Chapter 4. Matching seeds to your climate, the Goldilocks zone. Just like we wouldn't wear a thick wool sweater in the middle of summer, plants thrive when they're in an environment that suits their needs. That's why it's essential to choose seeds that are well suited to your specific climate. Think of it like finding the Goldilocks zone for your plants, a place where the temperature, sunlight, and rainfall are just right. The USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map is a fantastic tool to help you determine which plants will thrive in your region. It divides the United States into different zones based on average minimum winter temperatures. Once you know your zone, you can choose seeds that are adapted to your area's unique climate conditions. This ensures that your plants will have the best chance of survival and success. Remember, choosing the right plants for your climate is key to a thriving garden. It's about working with nature, not against it, to create a harmonious and productive space. Chapter 5. Seed storage. Treat your seeds like precious treasures. Imagine finding a beautiful antique at a flea market, only to have it ruined because you didn't store it properly. Heartbreaking, right? Well, seeds are precious too, and they need a little TLC to stay viable and ready for planting. Proper storage is key to extending their shelf life and ensuring a successful gardening season. Think of your seeds like vintage linens. You wouldn't just toss them in a damp basement, would you? Instead, store your seeds in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Airtight containers are your best friend when it comes to seed storage. They help protect those tiny treasures from moisture, pests, and temperature fluctuations. By storing your seeds properly, you're giving them the best chance of staying viable for longer, which means more beautiful blooms and bountiful harvests in the seasons to come. Chapter 6. Easy wins. Starting with beginner-friendly varieties. Starting a garden can feel a bit like embarking on a renovation project. Exciting, but maybe a tad daunting if you're new to it all. But just like you don't have to tackle a whole house renovation at once, You can start your gardening journey with easy wins. Choosing beginner-friendly seed varieties is like choosing a simple DIY project for your home, something achievable that gives you a sense of accomplishment and builds your confidence. Lettuce, radishes, and sunflowers are all fantastic choices for beginner gardeners. They're relatively low maintenance, germinate quickly, and tolerate a wider range of conditions. Plus, there's nothing quite as rewarding as harvesting your first crop of fresh, homegrown lettuce. Think of these easy-to-grow varieties as your gateway plants. They'll give you the confidence and experience you need to tackle more challenging varieties in the future. Chapter 7. Seed Selection, Avoiding Duds in the Garden Patch. We've all been there. You pick up a carton of milk at the grocery store, only to realize when you get home that it's past its expiration date. Disappointing, right? The same principle applies to seeds. Old or damaged seeds are like expired milk. They're not going to give you the desired results. Always check the expiration date on your seed packets. While some seeds can remain viable for several years, others have a shorter shelf life. And just like you'd avoid a dented can of paint, steer clear of seed packets that look damaged, discolored, or damp. These are all signs that the seeds inside may have been compromised. Choosing fresh, healthy seeds is key to a successful garden. It's like choosing quality ingredients for a recipe. You want the freshest ingredients to ensure the best flavor and outcome. Chapter 8. Disease-resistant varieties, natural defenses for a healthier garden. Just like we take vitamins to boost our immune system, choosing disease-resistant seed varieties is like giving your garden a natural defense system. These varieties have been specially bred to resist common plant diseases, reducing the need for chemical treatments and increasing your chances of a healthy and bountiful harvest. Think of it like choosing durable, weather-resistant materials for your home renovation project. You're investing in materials that can withstand the elements and stand the test of time. When you choose disease-resistant varieties, you're not only protecting your plants from harm, but also minimizing the need for potentially harmful pesticides and chemicals, making your garden a healthier and safer environment for you, your family, and beneficial insects. Chapter 9. Buying in bulk seed savings for the savvy gardener. We all love a good bargain, right? And when it comes to gardening, buying seeds in bulk can be a great way to save money, especially if you have the space and the demand. Think of it like stocking up on your favorite pantry staples. Buying in bulk often saves you money in the long run. If there are certain crops that you plant year after year, like tomatoes, beans, or herbs, consider purchasing them in larger quantities. This is especially beneficial for staple crops that have a longer shelf life. However, be mindful of your storage space and only purchase what you can realistically use before the seeds expire. It's like buying in bulk at the grocery store. Only purchase what you can use before it goes bad. With a little planning and smart shopping, you can enjoy the satisfaction of a bountiful garden while keeping your gardening budget in check. Chapter 10. The Gardener's Diary, Keeping Track of Your Green Thumb Journey. Imagine renovating your home without taking photos or jotting down notes about paint colors and furniture placement. It'd be hard to remember all the details, right? The same goes for gardening. Keeping a garden journal is like creating a scrapbook for your green thumb journey. It's a place to document your planting dates, seed sources, successes, challenges, and everything in between. Think of it as your personal gardening encyclopedia, a treasure trove of knowledge that you can refer back to year after year. Jot down the names of the seed varieties you planted, the date you sowed them, and any observations about their growth. You can also note any challenges you faced, like pests or diseases, and the solutions you tried. Not only will a garden journal help you stay organized, but it will also provide valuable insights over time, allowing you to fine-tune your gardening techniques and achieve even better results in the seasons to come. There you have it. 10 essential tips to select the best seeds for your garden. Remember, choosing the right seeds is the foundation for a thriving and abundant garden. And by following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful and productive outdoor oasis. Ready to get planting? Check out the links in the description for our recommended seed suppliers. These are folks we trust and know provide high-quality seeds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening wisdom. Happy planting!